Sorting data in Google Sheets is a quick way to organize your table by any column, like total revenue or date. Here we have a sales table, and we'll sort it by the total revenue column to see the highest and lowest earners. First, click on the column header to select the entire column. Then right-click the header to open the context menu with sorting options. Choose Sort Sheet A to Z to sort the whole sheet in ascending order, placing the smallest revenue at the top. The table now reorders by total revenue from lowest to highest, with the $255 sale first. If you'd like to see the largest values first, right-click the same header again and pick Sort Sheet Z to A. That flips the order so the $4,800 revenue appears at the top. Sorting by a different column works the same way. Let's reorder by date to get back to chronological order. Right-click the date column header and choose Sort Sheet A to Z. The sheet now sorts by date from January 11th onward, restoring the original order. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. It really supports the channel. So remember, right-clicking any column header gives you quick sort options for the entire sheet. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more spreadsheet tips.